New York opens in 15 minutes, and gold just handed us the exact level to watch. Let's walk through where we actually are. Daily chart. We're at 4,108, down about 1/3% on the day, inside a range between 4,054 on the low and 4,200 on the high. That high already rejected us once this week. We're still well under the 200-day average, sitting up near 4,330. That tells you the larger trend hasn't flipped. This is a range trade, not a trend trade, until proven otherwise. Zoom into 4-hour. Same story. Lower structure since the rejection at 4,200, with the previous day's high sitting around 4,138, acting as the next real ceiling above us. Now the 1-hour, because this is where today's decision actually is. We just printed a fresh low at 4,097, 4,098. That's our fractal low. The trigger is a 1-hour candle closing above 4,108, not touching it, closing above it. That close is the difference between this dip is done and this dip keeps going. Here's the confirmation that matters outside of gold itself. Dollar index is fading toward its own weekly low, around 100.6, currently trading near 100.83. That's down from a weekly high near 101.6. A weakening dollar is a tailwind for this trade. It's not the trigger, but it's the reason I'm leaning long instead of just standing aside. So here's the plan. If New York pushes through 4,108 with a confirmed 1-hour close, entry above that level, stop at 4,095, right under the fractal low. That's roughly $13 of risk. First target, 4,120, the old support, now resistance. That's about 1-to-1. Second target, 4,140, the previous day's high. Almost 2.5-to-1. If momentum really runs, 4,200 is back in play, and that's closer to 7-to-1 from this entry. If instead New York opens and prints a lower low below 4,097 before that close happens, the fractal isn't confirmed. I don't force it. I wait for the next one. One level to remember regardless of what happens today. A daily close below 4,054. That breaks the range on the downside and opens the door back to 4,020. That's the level that would make me stop looking for longs entirely. Next 15 minutes tell us which version of today we're getting. I'll update the moment New York shows its hand.